free time this week, and we're going to continue on page 34. Today is April 16th. Page 32 and page 33, we're going to work it in class because it's a very difficult topic that I prefer to teach you and to review it and reinforce it in the class. So we're going to skip page 32 and page 34 till we get back to school, okay? So we're going to move forward to page 34, which is basically the pages that we did together in class, okay? You're going to divide and conquer, basically to divide and dominate the word, okay? To reinforce and know and handle the word properly. So the first word is predict. If we go to the bottom of the page, we're going to find a different situation that we found before, because on the previous pages, the same of this one, we had the base word meaning, but in this case today we have the prefix meaning. So which is a different thing, and I took the time to search for the base meanings so we can have them all at the same time, okay? So let's move forward with the word predict. Predict, the prefix means before, which is the prefix pre, and the base means to say. The base is dict, and the word dict means to say it, okay? And then the word meaning is forecast, according to the vocabulary that we have at the bottom of the page. Then we have dictator. What you can see, dict is a base word. It doesn't have any prefix, so we go directly to the base mean because it doesn't have a prefix. Okay, so the base means to say, and the word means autocrat. Okay, that dictator is a ruler with a lot of power. Then we move to the word abdicate, which the prefix is ab, and prefix ab means away of and from. Okay, also it means to say or proclaim, because we have dictate, and that is to say or proclaim. Tomorrow I will provide you with the definition of these words so you can have them in your notebook. Then the word means renounce or to give up, especially a responsibility as parenthood or any school or high school responsibility, a big responsibility thing, okay? Then we have contradiction. Contradiction, we have prefix contra, which means against, and the base word means to say, okay? And if we put against or to say against, we have opposition, denial, and negation, okay? Very good. Now we move forward to the word number 5, valedictorian. Vale means farewell or to say goodbye. Okay, that's what it means as a prefix, but also the base word means to say. So it's basically student who gives a graduation speech. Okay, to say the farewell or to say the goodbye words. And the valedictorian student, the valedictorian is a student which has the best grades in the promotion, okay? The best student. Basically, we call that the principal's list student, okay? That's why the student is saying the goodbye words, okay? Which is the student who gives the graduation speech. Very good. So we move forward to number 6, dedicated. Dedicated, which the prefix is de, right? Which is down, from, of. And the base word means to say as well, because we have dic, okay? And devoted, which means the base or the whole word, okay? So now we have edict. Edict is out or out of, and also we say, because it's dict, to say, and it's a public decree, okay? It's a public decree, something that it's declared in public for the public to do and to attach to it, okay? Then we have benediction. Benediction, we have the prefix bene, which is good or well, and the base word again is to speak. Diction, diction is to speak properly and pronounce the words properly, and the word in together means parting, prayer, or blessing, okay? Then we have the word addictive, which means add, which means to, toward, and add to, okay? And the base word means to say, which is dict, and with is a habit or forming. Okay, it's to say toward a habit or forming as a routine or something. Then we have the last word, malediction. Malediction is the prefix mal or mali, which means bad, evil, and wrong. And the definition of the prefix is to speak or to speak bad, to speak wrong, to speak evil. And the definition of the word is curse. Okay. So also we use curse to say the bad words in English. So we say it's a curse word, that means it's a bad word or a bad expression. Okay? So that is all for today on page 34. I hope you understood and I hope you're trying to get the usage of the prefix and the base word and the definition of the whole word. Okay? As I told you, tomorrow I'm going to provide you the definition of the word so you can copy in your notebook. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Have a great day.